Welcome to Benjamin Graham Mindset, the channel dedicated to the most powerful, rational, and timeless investment philosophy ever created. If you are tired of hype, tired of noise, tired of speculation, gambling, and fear-driven decisions, then you've arrived at the right place. Because here, we don't chase stock predictions. We don't worship trends. We don't follow the crowd. Here, we think independently. We analyze carefully. We invest intelligently, inspired by the wisdom of Benjamin Graham, the teacher of Warren Buffett, the godfather of value investing, and the man who reshaped financial thinking. This channel exists to give you the mindset that has built more wealth than any other approach in history. Benjamin Graham always believed that investing is not about intelligence, but about the right kind of intelligence, emotional discipline. This channel will help you develop that discipline. Every week, we will explore how Graham thought about money, how he found undervalued companies, how he avoided financial disaster, how he separated price from value, how he controlled his emotions, how he built a mindset that could survive any market condition. The purpose of this channel is simple: to give you a mindset, not just stock tips, because tips don't build wealth, but mindset does. You will learn how to behave like an intelligent investor, how to think with clarity, how to protect your capital, and how to make decisions that stand the test of time. Before we go deeper, you must understand the man behind the philosophy. Benjamin Graham wasn't just a professor. He wasn't just an investor. He was the architect of modern financial thinking. Born in 1894, Graham began his life in poverty. He watched his family lose everything when his father died. He understood fear, hardship, and instability long before he understood the stock market. But it was that pain that shaped his brilliance. Graham would grow into one of the greatest intellectuals of Wall Street, a man so disciplined, so logical, and so careful with money that he transformed the chaos of the stock market into a science. His teachings attracted a young student named Warren Buffett, who later said, "I am 85% Benjamin Graham," and through Buffett, through his books, and through generations of investors, Graham's mindset lives on. And now, on this channel, it lives through you. The Benjamin Graham mindset is built on three foundations. 1. Rational thinking over emotion. The market is full of fear and greed. Graham teaches us to step back, observe, and act with reason, not emotion. 2. Intrinsic value over market hype. A company is not its stock price. A company is its earnings, its assets, its durability. Graham teaches us to look at the truth, not the noise. 3. Safety over speculation. Graham taught the world the concept of the margin of safety, the buffer that protects you from being wrong. This mindset transforms an ordinary investor into a disciplined analyst, a calm thinker, and a long-term wealth builder. This channel will train you to see the world the way Graham did, with clarity, logic, and humility. People say the markets have changed, technology has changed, trading has changed, but one thing never changes: human behavior. Fear and greed still rule the markets. That is why Graham's mindset is more important in 2025 than ever before. His principles help you avoid meme stock madness, crypto hype cycles, emotional trading, panic selling, FOMO buying, financial manipulation, and his principles help you build steady long-term gains, stable portfolio growth, emotional confidence, rational decision-making, peace of mind during market volatility. In a world where everyone wants fast money, Graham's mindset gives you something better: lasting wealth. On this channel, you will learn the complete roadmap of intelligent investing. You will learn how to calculate intrinsic value, how to evaluate financial statements, how to identify undervalued stocks, how to avoid market traps, how to build a strong portfolio, how to use Graham's formulas today, how to think like Buffett and Graham, how to develop emotional discipline, how to create a margin of safety strategy, how to survive bear markets, how to stop gambling and start investing, how to build wealth slowly, safely, and intelligently. This channel will become your personal library of rational investing knowledge. This channel isn't just about money. It's about mindset. It's about becoming the kind of investor who can stay calm in chaos, confident in uncertainty, rational in emotional markets. Benjamin Graham once said, "The investor's chief problem and even his worst enemy is likely to be himself." Here, we learn how to defeat that enemy. Welcome to the beginning of your journey. Welcome to clarity. Welcome to discipline. Welcome to intelligent investing. Welcome to Benjamin Graham Mindset.